Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with Visa Harmony. Today, I want to talk about what you need to do if you receive RFE. RFE stands for Request for Evidence. When you receive RFE, it means there is either an error or deficiency in your application or petition. It could be an incomplete form or incomplete documents. When you receive the RFE, first, just relax. Receiving RFE is actually a good sign that the USCIS is reviewing your application or petition and that they are giving you a chance to correct any errors or deficiencies. Usually, you will be given about 3 months to respond to RFE. A few years ago, the USCIS released a memo that they will not be sending out RFE letters anymore and that they will be directly sending Notice of Intent to Deny or NOID. NOIDs are much more urgent than the RFE. It gives you shorter time to respond. I have been seeing a lot of RFE letters being received by some of the Visa Group members that I think it's safe to say that the USCIS is back on sending RFE letters again instead of the NOID. The important thing to remember when you receive RFE is that the USCIS is giving you a chance to complete your application or petition. If you fail to provide the missing requirements, the USCIS could deny your application or petition. When the USCIS denies your application, you will need to either file again a new application or petition or file for an appeal. Filing an appeal costs $675. So it is better to be thorough with your application or petition because making a mistake is very expensive. When you receive the RFE letter, read the whole letter thoroughly and understand what the USCIS is asking for. The RFE letter will have a specific list of all the deficiencies of your application or petition and complete instructions on how and where to send it back. You also need to note the deadline on when you need to send back the required information or documents. Do not dismiss the RFE letter. If you think that you already sent the documents that they are requesting, you need to send it again because there is a reason why they are requesting for additional documents or information. If you do not respond to the RFE letter, the USCIS will automatically deny your petition or application. Let's discuss a few actual RFE letters that we have evaluated and addressed. Let's look at this particular RFE letter. This is the usual RFE for the Adjustment of Status application, the Affidavit of Support. It's either the Affidavit of Support form was not filled out correctly and/or did not provide complete supporting documents. What you need to do for this particular RFE letter is you need to provide a completely filled out I-864 Affidavit of Support form plus the complete supporting documents. We have a sample form and complete list of supporting documents on our website, visaharmony.com. You do not need to send all the documents listed here like the W-2s, 1099s, Form 2555, and tax schedules. Submit what applies to you, what documents you have. I will link a video on Affidavit of Support on the description box. I provided more information on there. Affidavit of Support is very important, so you need to make sure that this particular RFE is responded to correctly, because if not, your Adjustment of Status application could get denied. This second RFE letter is on the immigration medical requirement. You need to find a clinic that is certified by the USCIS to get your medical done. We also have a complete guide on that, and I will link on the description box. For medical, you need to receive the sealed medical results, and that's what you need to send back to USCIS with the RFE letter. For this third RFE letter, this was for a K-1 fiancé petition. The client filed the petition themselves, and the USCIS asked for their letter of intent to marry and proofs that their relationship is genuine. We have a complete list of requirements for the K-1 or fiancé petition on our website, visaharmony.com. When you are ready to send back the requested documents to the USCIS, you need to follow the instructions on the letter on where to send it and make sure to send a copy or the original RFE letter. Again, the complete instructions will be written on the letter, so it is very important to read it thoroughly. If you have any questions on RFE, you can post them on the comment section below. Or if you received RFE and you need assistance on how to respond to it, or any assistance with U.S. petition or immigration application, I will list our contact information for you. Thank you and see you next time.